Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 electric pressure washers of 2025. Whether you're looking to clean your car, driveway, patio, or deck, we've got you covered with the best options on the market right now. We'll be breaking down their features, performance, design, and value to help you find the perfect fit for your needs. All product links are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Let's jump into it. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Apfava Electric Pressure Washer. This machine boasts an impressive 5,000 psi of maximum pressure and a 3.0 GPM flow rate, making it a powerhouse for tackling tough cleaning jobs. From driveways to patios and cars, this pressure washer is designed to handle it all. It comes with 4 interchangeable nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degrees, and a 350 milliliter foam cannon for deeper cleaning efficiency. Design-wise, the Apfava is lightweight at just 10 pounds, and its dual-wheel setup ensures easy maneuverability. Its 20-foot pressured hose and 35-foot power cord offer plenty of reach, so you won't feel restricted while working. The safety lock and TSS, total stop system, are great features, automatically shutting off the pump when the trigger isn't engaged to save energy and extend the motor's lifespan. While the Apfava offers robust performance at a reasonable price, it's worth noting that its durability might not match the premium options on this list. However, for less than $105, it's a versatile option for homeowners who need a reliable cleaner for occasional use. It's perfect for light to medium-duty tasks. But for more professional-grade cleaning, you may want to consider other options. Coming in at number 4 is the Patio Pressure Washer, which offers a compelling mix of performance and convenience. With a maximum pressure of 4,800 psi and a flow rate of 3.0 GPM, this washer is well-suited for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Whether you're tackling stubborn grime on driveways, decks, or fences, the Patio has you covered. It includes 4 brass nozzles for adjustable pressure and a foam cannon that creates dense foam for car washing and other delicate tasks. The design of the Patio is user-friendly, featuring a compact build, 2 rollers, and an anti-tipping base for added stability. It also includes a 23-foot high-pressure hose, giving you plenty of flexibility. The upgraded stainless steel spray gun and metal connections enhance its durability, and the TSS, total stop system, helps conserve energy while prolonging the pump's life. While the Patio delivers excellent cleaning power, its slightly higher weight, 17.6 pounds, and bulkier design might make it less portable than some other options. Nonetheless, at just under $110, it offers great value for homeowners who need an efficient and durable machine for medium to heavy-duty cleaning tasks. At number 3, we have the LWQ Electric Pressure Washer. This budget-friendly option delivers solid performance with a maximum flow rate of 2.5 GPM, making it a great choice for everyday cleaning tasks. It comes equipped with 4 quick connect nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and a foam cannon for added versatility. Whether you're cleaning patio furniture, cars, or driveways, the LWQ gets the job done efficiently. One of the standout features of the LWQ is its compact and stable design. It includes 2 rollers and an anti-tipping base, making it easy to move around while staying secure during use. The 20-foot hose and 16-foot power cord provide decent reach, and the ability to draw water from a bucket adds flexibility. The LWQ's main drawback is its lower PSI compared to other models on this list, which might make it less effective for heavy-duty tasks. However, for under $100, it offers great value and is perfect for light to medium cleaning jobs around the home. If you're looking for an affordable pressure washer with a good balance of power and convenience, the LWQ is a solid choice. Taking the number 2 spot is the Powrite Electric Pressure Washer. With a maximum pressure of 3,800 psi and a flow rate of 2.4 GPM, this machine is designed to handle tough cleaning jobs with ease. The included foam cannon and 4 pressure tips, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degrees, allow for a wide variety of cleaning applications, from delicate surfaces to stubborn grime on concrete and brick. The Powrite is equipped with a durable Encore pump that's non-corrosive and maintenance-free, ensuring long-term reliability. Its 20-foot hose provides ample reach, and the ability to draw water from a container adds versatility. The lightweight design, 18 pounds, and quick assembly make it user-friendly even for beginners. While the Powrite offers excellent cleaning performance for its price, the build quality may not feel as premium as higher-end models. However, it's still a fantastic choice for homeowners who need a budget-friendly option with plenty of power. Whether you're washing your car, deck, or driveway, the Powrite delivers reliable performance at an unbeatable price point. Finally, at number 1, we have the Westinghouse EPX 3500 electric pressure washer. This premium option is packed with features that make it worth every penny of its $169 price. With a maximum pressure of 2,500 psi and a 1.76 GPM flow rate, it delivers consistent, deep cleaning power for a wide range of tasks. The 17.5-inch Pro-Style steel wand and 5 quick connect nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, turbo, and soap applicator make it incredibly versatile. What sets the Westinghouse apart is its thoughtful design. It's compact, lightweight at just 19 pounds, and features 4 quick-lock wheels with a low center of gravity to prevent tipping. The onboard 20-ounce soap tank adds convenience, and the pump's automatic stop feature helps conserve energy and extend the motor's life. The 25-foot nylon-braided hose provides excellent reach, and the entire unit is backed by a 3-year warranty. The only downside to the Westinghouse is its slightly higher price compared to other options. However, for users who value durability, convenience, and premium build quality, this is the ultimate pressure washer. It's perfect for homeowners who want a reliable, high-performance machine for regular use on cars, patios, and more. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this detailed review of the top 5 electric pressure washers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest product reviews. Have questions? Leave them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next one.